Okay, River Rats, in today's video we're fishing right here in the Indian River during a huge windstorm. Let's get to it. There you go, I'm going to try to pass near the mangroves without getting stuck in the tree. That's a... We got a fish, guys. Yeah, I got a fish. Oh, it came off, dang it. That was a good sized fish. This, guys, I got a stick fish. Hey, yeah, look at this. My stepdad just pulled in a redfish.
He was barely fighting on the pole, but just kind of swimming around.
Look at him. That's like a 14-inch redfish. Yeah, awesome, guys. That is really cool. Look at that, guys. That's a redfish. Boom. Now, give him a nice, safe revive. Let him back in the water. There he goes. Beautiful fish. Hopefully he goes to be a huge redfish. I was gonna go reeling this rod right over here, and hopefully we get something on here, because the fish are just sluggish today. Like, we didn't even know we had that one fish on. We definitely don't have anything on. We'll try to cast the wellbore diagonally towards the mangroves. It's not in the open. Typically the fish like to hang near the mangroves more than anything. So try not to get it in the tree. Crap, it cast it off. Dang it. Alrighty, River Rats. So we're gonna go put this over in the mangroves. Try this again. Hopefully not cast it off. Hopefully, you know, I got it stuck in the tree. Those things have happened today. So try to get over here. That's actually not a bad spot. It's actually a pretty good cast. I'm actually quite happy with that. Reel it in slightly and that's it. Boom. That's what we got. We're going over to check my rod, hoping that it's still there. Yeah, it's still there. I don't remember if I set the drag or not. Hopefully not get stung by a wasp, because this is a hornet and wasp nest in that tree. Awesome, we survived. Now we're going to pick up the rod and see if we got anything. Since they're sluggish today, so you never know. They took the shrimp, it looks like. What we're using is just a little piece of shrimp, just like this. So just a little piece of shrimp, and then this hook here is like threading it through so the hook isn't like too visible, but also make sure that your hook point isn't buried in your shrimp, so you can actually like catch the fish. That's kind of important in fishing. So we have that. Now we're gonna go cast it out. Just casted it back out. Make sure it's tight and the drag's set. Oh, look at that pelican. That's crazy. Look at those things. 1, 2. Those are big birds, dude. Guys, this is coral. It's actually making my arm, my hand itch, so I'm gonna throw it back. But yeah, that's pretty cool. River Rats, you ready for this parkour? Look at this. It's so good. It's so good. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos. See you guys in the next episode of River Rat Life.